Alright, so here is the best way on how you can move files from OneDrive to PC. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can move files from your OneDrive to your PC. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up your web browser and head over to OneDrive. And here, as you can see, I've already logged in and you'll be in home, but you need to go ahead and press on my files because there will be all of your files and everything. And this is it. Now you gotta find the file that you wanna move from your OneDrive to your PC. And let's say I wanna move this file right over here, which says document. And if I simply press on these two dots over here, which says more actions, if I press on it, I'll see many options over here, but I just gotta go ahead and press on the option of download. So once I press on it here, as you can see, it's downloaded and I've basically moved the file. So if I go to downloads, over here, as you can see, it is the same document, or we can say file, which has been downloaded. And yeah, it's as simple as this. And I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.